There are more microplastic particles in our oceans than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. In fact, the UN's report in 2017 stated that there are actually 500 times more microplastic particles in our oceans than the stars in our galaxy. As the caretakers of our planet, we have a responsibility to outlaw single-use plastic bags. All of life depends on water, yet we are destroying our oceans faster than we can save them. Working for Vice President Al Gore, it is a constant reminder of the importance of saving the planet and being conscious of how we are harming it. The world's ecosystems are very fragile, and if the United States of America does not ban single-use plastic bags for good, we are all going to suffer the consequences. The United States has ignored the cries of nature and scientists to please the wealth of shareholders. This has caused both predicted and unforeseen events to occur. The environmental cost of producing single plastic bags far exceeds the monetary benefit. The Pacific Ocean, known for its beauty, now has an island of floating garbage the size of Texas, weighing more than 8 Eiffel Towers. Unlike paper, plastic breaks down into smaller and smaller pieces called microplastics, which the National Ocean Service defines as something less than 5 millimeters long. These tiny pieces of plastic are ingested by marine animals at every level of the food chain, including humans. In a study done by Ghent University, 67% of all seafood we eat has plastic in it. EarthDay.org says that over 100 billion plastic bags are thrown away each year in the US alone, and only a fraction of these get recycled. Most end up in creeks, rivers, waterways, and oceans. The National Weather Service points out a startling and unforeseen consequence. The chemicals drained from the plastic bags are actually interfering with the growth and photosynthesis of bacteria that produce 10% of the oxygen we breathe. So, the time for debate is over. The United States must outlaw single-use plastic bags. In an article published by the American Bar Association, it states that the continuation of business as usual will result in 3 times more plastic in the oceans by 2040. Yet, Tennessee is among the states that have enacted laws to actually limit the power of local officials to ban plastic bags. This is if we passed a law banning the use of light bulbs but maintaining people hunt whales for lamp oil. It's archaic and wrong. In addition to passing a national ban as individuals, we need to rethink our everyday actions. For example, US citizens use on average 365 single-use plastics bags per year, according to the Center for Biological Diversity. That's 1 bag a day per person. We all have reusable containers, but what is the use if we don't ever bring them with us? Each year that passes, the chances of reversing the fate of the planet is shrinking. It is plain to see the health of the world's ecosystems have suffered on our watch. Therefore, it is necessary to do our part in stopping it. The question now is, what of our legacy? Plastic bags have a lifespan of 500 years. The time it takes for us to pollute the oceans, our air, and ourselves occurred in only 1/5 of that time. Plastic bags were one component of the utopian vision of abundant material wealth, ease, and efficiency. Now, with 9.1 billion tons of plastic waste to date, the time for an immediate ban on single-use plastic bags has come. Thank you.